2017 Toyota Corolla with brake replacement. We're gonna need a 17mm wrench like this to hold the back nut and the 40mm wrench to break it free. And it's two bolts, one on top of the bottom. It is our caliper. And put it on the side. Don't let it hang by the hose, by the way, it's not recommended. Let's remove our caliper bracket bolt. It is 40mm. It's two of them. Let's check to see if they move freely. They might need to be greased. And make sure you save your old parts, guys, because your new brake pad and kit might not come with those hardware. So let's clean our brake rotor with a wire brush like this. I'm going to clean our brake caliper bracket. It's all nice and clean and shiny. Let's grease our caliper pin. And let's put our new brake rotor in. Make sure you clean them up because they might have rust protection on them, like some type of grease. You can use brake cleaner or soapy water to clean it up. Let's put our caliper in, caliper bracket. And let's grease our brake pad. Brake pad number 1 and brake pad number 2. You're gonna need a special tool for this to compress this caliper. We're gonna need a caliper widening tool. I'll post it to the link in the comment section below. You're gonna need that so you can compress the caliper. And the idea is you're gonna use this and turn the caliper piston clockwise until it is fully seated, so you can have enough room to put it on the caliper bracket and around the new brake pad. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.